In a daring announcement that has captivated the scientific community and sparked curiosity around the world, researchers claim to have discovered a planet unlike anything we have ever encountered. NASA, the space agency renowned for pushing the boundaries of exploration, revealed that this mysterious world is not only fascinating because of its unusual size and location, but also because it seems to radiate light that appears to be artificial. Such a revelation raises profound questions. Could we be standing on the edge of a discovery that would transform our entire understanding of the universe? Could this phenomenon be a hint that we are not alone, and that life, or even advanced civilizations, might exist beyond Earth? To uncover the truth behind these strange lights, we need to look back at one of NASA's most ambitious missions, one that set out not just to explore, but to challenge what we thought we knew about the solar system. In 2007, NASA launched the Dawn spacecraft, a technological marvel equipped with 3 ion engines, something that set it apart from any previous mission. Unlike traditional chemical rockets that provide short bursts of high power, ion propulsion delivers a steady, gentle thrust, allowing spacecraft to travel vast distances with incredible efficiency. It was this innovation that allowed Dawn to accomplish what no other probe had achieved, orbiting not one, but 2 separate celestial bodies in the asteroid belt. The journey began with a 14-month study of Vesta, the second largest asteroid in the belt. Dawn sent back breathtaking images and detailed maps that revealed Vesta's violent history of impacts, volcanic activity, and complex geology. But as impressive as Vesta was, the most anticipated part of the mission was still to come. Once its work there was finished, Dawn left Vesta's orbit, something a traditional spacecraft could never have done, and set course for its next destination, Ceres, the largest and most enigmatic object in the asteroid belt. Ceres, discovered in 1801 by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi, has always occupied a unique place in astronomy. At first, it was classified as a planet, then later downgraded to an asteroid, and finally reclassified in 2006 as a dwarf planet, joining Pluto in this special category. With a diameter of about 950 kilometers, Ceres is the heavyweight of the asteroid belt, containing nearly 1/3 of the belt's total mass. For decades, it was little more than a blurry dot in telescopes, its surface features hidden from view. Yet scientists suspected that beneath its dusty shell, Ceres might conceal secrets critical to understanding the origins of the solar system, and possibly even the conditions necessary for life. That suspicion grew stronger in 2015, when Dawn arrived and began sending back its first close-up images. What those pictures revealed astonished scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Across the dark, cratered surface of Ceres were mysterious bright spots, the most striking of which lay inside a massive crater known as a crater. These glowing patches appeared so unusual, so unexpected, that speculation immediately ran wild. Some wondered if they could be giant patches of ice reflecting sunlight, while others considered the possibility of salt flats or mineral deposits. A more daring theory even proposed that the lights could be artificial, evidence of alien technology buried beneath the surface. For centuries, telescopes had only shown Ceres as a dim blur. But now, thanks to Dawn, we could see its surface in stunning detail. And the closer the spacecraft came, the more fascinating the story became. Initially, the scientific community leaned toward the idea that the bright spots were patches of water ice, preserved in the cold vacuum of space. But as the data accumulated, a different picture emerged. These bright areas, especially those in a crater, turned out not to be simple ice deposits but highly reflective salt formations, likely composed of sodium carbonate and other minerals. How did these salts get to the surface? The best explanation was cryovolcanism, a rare and exotic process where volcanoes erupt not with molten rock, but with water, brine, or other icy materials. Imagine this. Deep beneath Ceres' surface lies a reservoir of salty liquid water. When geological forces push this brine upward through cracks in the crust, it escapes to the surface. Exposed to the vacuum of space, the liquid rapidly sublimates, turning directly into vapor, and what remains behind are gleaming, reflective salt crystals. These residues form the enigmatic bright spots that captured the world's attention. But there was more. The Dawn spacecraft detected temporary hazes hovering above the bright areas of a Keter crater, suggesting that sublimation of water vapor might still be occurring today. If true, it would mean that Ceres is not a frozen, inactive world, but one that is still geologically alive. This possibility electrified researchers because where there is liquid water, there is always the tantalizing chance for life. Ceres is no ordinary asteroid. Unlike the mostly rocky bodies around it, it has a unique composition, one that makes it more like a comet than a chunk of stone. Its crust contains water ice mixed with clays and carbonates, while its interior is believed to hide a muddy mantle and a core rich in water. Scientists estimate that nearly half of Ceres' volume could be water, making it one of the wettest objects in the inner solar system, second only to Earth. Even more intriguing is the discovery of ammonia-bearing clays on its surface. Ammonia lowers the freezing point of water, allowing salty brines to remain liquid at much colder temperatures. This finding hints that Ceres may not have formed where it currently resides. Instead, it may have originated in the colder outer regions of the solar system and then migrated inward. If so, Ceres could be a time capsule from the distant past, carrying chemical ingredients that might shed light on how planets and potentially habitable environments developed. The implications are staggering. If Ceres still harbors underground brine reservoirs, could they provide an environment suitable for microbial life? On Earth, extremophiles, tiny organisms capable of surviving in boiling hot springs, frozen tundras, and even deep-sea brine pools, thrive in conditions once thought impossible for life. If microbes can exist in such extreme environments here, why not on Ceres? The idea that life might exist beneath the icy crust of a dwarf planet in the asteroid belt is no longer the stuff of pure science fiction. Instead, it is a scientific question waiting to be answered. And Ceres is not alone in this regard. Moons like Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, orbiting Saturn, also exhibit cryovolcanism and evidence of subsurface oceans. Together, they suggest that the ingredients for life may be far more common in our solar system than we once believed. Returning to the mystery of the bright spots, their very existence forces us to reconsider our assumptions. For centuries, we believed the asteroid belt was a region of dead, lifeless rocks, cosmic leftovers from the solar system's formation. But Ceres proves otherwise. It is a world of activity, complexity, and perhaps habitability. Its lights may not be artificial, but they reveal something equally extraordinary: a living world beneath the surface of a dwarf planet once dismissed as insignificant. And yet, the mystery persists. If salt and water are the explanations for these lights, why do they appear so concentrated in certain craters? What geological processes could have kept these brines liquid for billions of years? Could there be pockets of liquid water still moving through its interior today? And if so, what might be living there? For now, these questions remain unanswered. The Dawn mission ended in 2018, but the data it collected continues to be studied by scientists worldwide. Each new analysis adds pieces to the puzzle, painting Ceres as one of the most fascinating worlds in our cosmic neighborhood. Some even argue that if humanity ever looks beyond Mars for colonization, Ceres, with its abundance of water resources, could become a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. What began as a simple mission to study two objects in the asteroid belt has opened the door to profound mysteries about habitability, planetary evolution, and the possibility of life. Ceres may not be the artificial beacon some once imagined, but its bright spots illuminate a deeper truth. The universe is far stranger, more dynamic, and more alive than we ever dared to believe. So, could the lights of Ceres be the universe's way of signaling us to look closer, to question more, and to push beyond the limits of what we think is possible? One thing is certain. Ceres has gone from a forgotten dot in the asteroid belt to a key player in humanity's search for life and understanding of the cosmos. And as we continue to explore, who knows what other worlds will reveal their secrets next? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you believe the bright spots on Ceres are purely natural phenomena, or could there be something more behind them? If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, remember to like and subscribe to Discovery at 2.0 for more incredible explorations of the universe's greatest mysteries.